JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social media to your Shopify. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in Shopify, all you have to do is actually go to your online store and choose your theme. So once you have chosen your theme, you want to customize it right here. And actually, you want to go to the settings. So here, the theme settings, and you want to scroll down until you find your social media. And then once you find your social media, here you can integrate your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vimeo right here. So you can manually paste it right here, like type it out if you even want to, if you even memorize your own link. So you can place it down right here and to automatically update here in your store. And it's just that simple. So again, just go to your own theme and then theme settings, scroll down until you find your social media, and there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.